On the bike, Marky.
Before setting Marky up to go, place 2 bricks on either side of the wheel for stability.
You want to lift your leg. Lift your leg. Nope.
He's thinking about his bike.
All right. Up. Push. Foot there. All right. Let's get you belted in.
To ensure Marky is safely secured, there are 2 components of his seat belts. One goes over the chest, the other goes over the hips, similar to a car seat. Make sure it goes over his shoulder.
All right, buddy. Put the helmet on. Got the magnetic clips down here. Make sure his head is up. And you should hear a snap. And then on the back, there's a dial that you want to tighten the helmet down by turning to the right. It should be pretty good. All right.
Put it.
Battery in. Turn it to the unlock position. Slide it down. Make sure it is well seated. And go ahead and take the key out. So starting this thing, you gotta put the key in there, turn it to the right to the on position. Come over here, left hand side, you have the power button that you hold down. And you should see this come to life here. And then you have your throttle control here. You have, you can select between having just the throttle or using pedals. And once you start pedaling, the motor will kick in. You can adjust up and down for the assist speeds, which is here on the left. So this is assist level 4, 3, 2, 1, and it goes all the way up to 5.
But we're not going to do that, right?
No, shouldn't be on 5.
It should be on what?
Most of the time, probably about 2.
Okay.
Maybe 3 at the most.
Okay. But when you're unexperienced, you do 2.
If you're not experienced, I would start off at 0, so that's no assist. Get used to it, and then once you get used to it, you can move up to 1, and then 2,
Okay.
and then that's the basics of it.
Okay.
Little horn there. All right, Marky. Let's go, buddy. All right, here we go.